It's important to follow these directions when oiling acacia butcher block panels from Interbuild. Now that the top has been allowed to set overnight for 8 hours to let the stain sink in, the final application of sealant can be applied. Interbuild's Hardwax sealant works best for countertops since it has the same food-safe VOC formula as the wood stains. Apply the sealant in the same direction as the wood grain. Use the oil generously on all in-grain surfaces to enable maximum penetration. Apply 3 coats of Interbuild's top coat sealant, allowing 8 hours of drying time between coats. The best way most fabricators do this is to apply 2 coats in the shop, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. The next day, the top is installed and a 3rd coat can be applied in the field. Coverage per can is approximately 75 square feet. An extra tin of the clear oil sealant should be provided to the customer with the installation of the countertop to enable ongoing surface conditioning. It's important to show the customer how easy it is to apply. The customer needs to fully condition the top with the surface application of the clear Hardwax oil weekly for the first month so that water droplets bead up on the surface. So there you have it, an undermount sink application for an Interbuild acacia countertop with a beautiful golden teak hardwood oil finish and 3 coats of Hardwax sealant to ensure a successful installation and lifetime care and maintenance instructions from Interbuild.